Welcome to Clevera. To create a new video, open the Clevera app on your computer and choose the area of your screen you want to record. Then hit Start Recording and simply perform the task you want to turn into a video. For this example, I'm showing how to draw a chart in Google Sheets. While recording, try to keep your mouse movements steady and smooth. You can also speak while recording if you want to give the AI more context for the script, but that's totally optional. When you're finished, just hit Stop Recording. Then click Generate Video, and Clevera will start processing your recording. It analyzes what happened on your screen, writes a narration, and turns everything into a polished video automatically. Let's see how this one turned out.
Look. Start by selecting your data range. Then head to the Insert menu and click Chart to generate your visual. A basic column chart is created instantly.
Not bad. On the right side, you'll see all the voiceovers that Clevera generated. You can edit the text, regenerate the voice, or mute any part if you want to tweak the narration. Below that is a timeline view. This shows all the voiceovers and any other elements used in your video. Also on the right panel, you'll find tools to customize your video. You can change the background, add or adjust zoom layers, include background music, or add overlays like masking sensitive information. Whenever you add something, it appears as a track on the timeline, and you can move it or resize it just by dragging. You can also switch to voice actor narrating your video. There's also a magical AI assistant that can help you edit your video. You can ask it questions about the content of your video or request changes. For example, I'm asking it to expand one part of the voiceover. Once it finishes, you can review the changes and either approve or discard them. Pretty cool. But Clevera isn't just about videos. You can also create a detailed article from the same recording. Just open the article tab and generate one. Clevera will create a structured article with screenshots, callouts, and clear step-by-step instructions. And if you want, you can also ask the AI assistant to refine or edit the article. You can even translate both your videos and articles into other languages. Once everything looks good, just hit Publish and then click Share. From there, you can share a view link, embed the content on your website, export the video to MP4, or directly publish it on other platforms. And that's Clevera. Happy building!